babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, we are about to get up close and personal as I show you how to install your own tape-ins at home safely. I hope you enjoy and that you understand. Let's get right to it. Today's video is sponsored by Eayon Hair. They sent me 3 bundles. Each bundle has 40 pieces. I will be installing their 20-inch kinky straight and I'm using all 120 pieces. So before my install, I went ahead and shampooed my hair, blow dried it, and pressed it out. You want to make sure that you do this before your install. I found it so much easier to go ahead and install the tapes in the front versus in the back. That way I got a feel of how I was going to be installing them. One of the luxuries of tape-in extensions is the ability to be able to wear your hair up into a ponytail, a bun, or any other style that your hair allows. So right now I went ahead and sectioned off where my leave out was going to be. That way it allowed me to do that if I chose to do so. I'll be installing from bottom to top. So I went ahead and placed my first tape. And then I'm going to go in with the end of my rat tail comb to slice and remove any excess hair that did not stick onto the tape. With the next tape, I'm going to sandwich it right on top of the tape that we placed at the bottom. And when placing your tape, you can apply it as close as possible to your scalp, but you do want to leave a little bit of hair room. That way, when you lift your hair up or anything, you don't feel any tension. For this install, I am going row for row. As I got closer to the top near my leave out at the end, I did go ahead and just strategically place tapes where it needed to be. Try to create as much clean parts as possible. The main thing you don't want is little hairs being pulled. So you want to make sure that your parts are as clean as possible and there's no tension. Now to go ahead and fill up the top near my leave out, I'm going to be applying my tapes parallel to my middle part. To speed up the process a little bit, I went ahead and pre-placed some of my tapes at the bottom. That way they were already there. That way I can just go ahead and place my tapes at the top. starting from like the middle of the back of my ear, I'm going to be parting from ear to ear. That way I have enough hair to be able to cover tapes if I wanted to wear my hair up. Same as the front, I'm going to be pre-placing my tapes at the bottom straight across, and then I'm going to be going in with the end of my rat tail comb to slice off the top and remove any hair that is not sticking to each tape, and I'm going to sandwich just like I did at the top. I'm doing this all the way up. Once I was done parting, if I felt that I couldn't feel the tape, like some of the stickiness from the tape, that would help me to know that I had too much hair and that it wouldn't be able to actually stick, because I can't even feel the stickiness from the tape. As I got closer to the top, I did notice that I was starting to run out of tapes, but it's fine because I was almost done. So what I am doing now is just placing tapes strategically where they need to be placed. That way I have a nice full finish. To create that natural look, you want to go ahead and cut where your real hair starts in the front. I like to cut mine downward with my razor comb to give it a face frame and to let the hair just naturally fall. I'm going to be using my Care wax stick to lay my hair down and also lay down any flyaways. This is my favorite stick. It lasts forever, but I'm just going to comb it through, and that is basically it, y'all. We have installed all 120 tapes. The amount of tapes always varies on the amount of hair that each person has, so it can go anywhere from 120 pieces to even 180. I've seen some people have over 200, so it really depends on what look you're going for and how much hair you have. But this is the finishing look on my head. All the information on this hair is in the description below, so go check it out right now. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV. If you haven't already, join the family, join the journey. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Be sure to turn on all of your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos, and I will see you in my next video.